Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block domain on AOL Mail. Unfortunately, AOL Mail doesn't currently offer a built-in feature to directly block emails from entire domain. So however, there is a workaround. You can try to manage unwanted emails from specific domains. So the first method you can use is to mark an email as a spam. To do so, open a web browser and log into mail.aol.com and make sure that you're inside the main inbox page. Once you're inside the main inbox page, go ahead and open up an email from the domain you want to flag. Once you open up the email from the domain, click on the spam button at the top of the screen. Soon after you do that, this will move the email to your spam folder and help AOL Mail identify similar emails as spam in the future. Another method is to use Move to Folder option. The Move to Folder method does not block emails, but it allows you to quickly organize them away from your inbox. Open up the email from an unwanted domain and click on the Move button at the top of the screen. Now from the Move To menu, create New Folder by clicking on Create New Folder option. Enter a new folder's name. You can give it a name like Blocked Domains and click on Create. Once you've created the folder, you can now use it to move all future emails from that specific domain to the newly created folder for easy management. So that is how you can those were some of the methods that can help you achieve the similar effect as blocking domain on AOL Mail. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.